Annual plants, phantoms of the desert. Spring, and the desert is carpeted with flowers. This is a super bloom, the biggest, most exuberant wildflower show in years. But where do these super blooms come from? Where are these plants the rest of the time, and why are the blooms so rare? Researchers at the Desert Lab here on Tumamoc Hill, led by Larry Venable, have been studying annual plants for decades to decode their mysterious ways. About half of the plant species in the Sonoran Desert are annuals, which means that an individual plant germinates, flowers, fruits, and dies in less than a year. With hundreds of species, wouldn't these plants be more obvious? It is remarkable that these plants spend the majority of their existence as a seed, lying just below the surface of the ground, waiting for the right moment to spring to life. Lying dormant as a seed and only emerging briefly at the right time for reproduction is a sophisticated endeavor that evolved to deal with difficult circumstances. The desert is harsh, variable, and largely unpredictable. Some years may have almost no rain, while others are extremely wet. The rain that does fall is broken up by dry periods of varying length. Research at Tumamoc Hill has revealed that in response to such variability, annual species have developed a wide range of life strategies. For example, annuals destined to flower in March, winter annuals, must germinate in late fall to avoid the seedling-killing heat of summer. In fact, these seeds are unable to germinate without first experiencing a long exposure to high temperatures, causing them to wait until the summer monsoon has passed. Another way these species have evolved to handle the extremes of the desert is to hedge their bets. The saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," applies to plants too. Rather than all germinating after a single rain event, some resist germination. It's very possible that they have missed their chance and will never have another. Yet, if that rainfall was followed by weeks of sun and heat, the seedling might have withered and died. By waiting, it has another chance at life. Betting on the variability of the desert rather than going for broke is yet another ticket to desert annual success. The desert soil is actually filled with half of the species of the Sonoran Desert flora, the phantoms of the desert, each with its own strategy patiently waiting for the right moment to come alive and fill the desert with color.